Number one, we love animals, and so that's why we're in this business. We have horses, we have dogs, we have cattle.
I'm Michael.
I'm Liz.
And we're Para Livestock here in Othello, Washington. We, as a smaller feedlot relative to the industry, I think there's a place for us. It's maximizing the potential of the local products and producing valuable protein and a little more personal touch, doing the same job, but a little more hands-on on an animal-to-animal basis.
Michael works a lot hands-on with all of our cattle. Our cattle foreman has worked with us for many, many years. So he knows cattle, he sees those cattle every day. They ride the pens 7 days a week. They just get to know the cattle like you know your friends.
We have sustainability in mind by buying local feedstuffs from farmers within a very tight radius, including the byproducts from the local feed processors. One of the byproducts of the winemaking process is grape pomace, which is the smashed grapes. We have a local winery within 30 miles, and we've used that to sweeten our start ration. The cattle like it, go to it, and it gives the winery an outlet for their product that they would otherwise have to dispose of. We also take the manure from the feedlot and we roll it, compost it, dry it, screen it. The local farmers who we buy our corn from value that product, and it's a natural fertilizer. So it's kind of a complete circle. That manure goes back on the farm and that corn comes back to us. Buying over and over again from the local cattlemen and giving them another outlet for their cattle. They have choices of retained ownership or selling or partnering. So I think it benefits the entire ag community in our area.
And all the people that we meet and get to experience have just been friendships that we'll have forever and ever. It's just been a great lifestyle.